Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to export file as EPS in GIMP. So if you want to do it, first we need to go to the left upper corner and we need to click on File. After that we need to go to Special tab, we need to open here Export As. You can click on this one option or use shortcut from your keyboard Shift Ctrl A if you want. It will let you to export the image to various file formats such as PNG, JPG or EPS, so I click on it. And then we need to open here select file type by extension. So I click on this one option and then I need to scroll down and find here EPS extension. Okay, so here we have EPS extension, Encapsulated PostScript file type. So I click on it and then I click export button. After that you will see this one window. I recommend you to set here everything on default. And after that we need to click export button. How you see our file has been successfully exported as EPS. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.